up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a hair review on this hair right here, y'all. This is my birthday hair. For those of you who don't know, my birthday just passed November 12th, and this was the hair that my mom got me, and I'm absolutely obsessed, you guys. I think the best gift you could get me is hair, literally, for my birthday, for Christmas. Like, I'm a wig girl through and through. I just love just changing my style, different hair colors, different lengths, different textures. So this one is like more of like a body wave, if you guys can see. It almost looks like if you put like, I don't want to say cramped like barrel curls. So I really love that. This is only 16 inches, as you guys can see, which is a perfect length. I feel like where it falls is just perfect. This wig is synthetic, but it is a blend, so you can use your hot tools on it, which I love. Now, if you guys know me, you guys do know I don't manipulate my wigs at all, so I definitely don't use heat on any of my wigs. Just however they come out the pack is how I wear them. Simple gal. So this is perfect. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see the back. Here's the back of it. And one thing I also did like about this wig is that it also comes with a bang. So I think it already came with like a slight side part, but you guys know me and my emo bang. Like, this is my same hairstyle I've been wearing since high school. You guys, this is me, this is my style. So like, I literally just put it over to the side and I'm good to go. One hair on the back side like this, and it's just a very simple, quick hairstyle. Throw it on, brushed it, you guys. I also have the unbrushed. Shout out to my mom. So I've been using the unbrushed on here. If you guys don't have TikTok, you guys know it's like all the rage right now. And I use the unbrushed, brush it out, and then good to go. Same basic hairstyles you could do. Regular ponytail, pony to the side, a bun. If you run in errands, like, the possibilities are endless. So you guys, go ahead, you better get you one of these. A chicken salad. But you guys, like I said, perfect length. And you guys, this is an Amazon wig. Most, if not all, of my hair reviews on my channel are from Amazon. Don't sleep on Amazon, you guys. Their hair is amazing, great quality. You guys don't have to spend hundreds of dollars to look good or have good quality hair. If you're bougie on a budget like myself, definitely check out Amazon. I do have a link in the description to my Amazon storefront where you guys can see most, if not all, of my wigs that I have reviewed on my channel. So definitely check out that link. Get you some bomb Amazon hair for Christmas. I know Black Friday is also having lots of sales going on. Also, you can purchase to me directly. I do have my own hair boutique, DASSAH'S hair boutique, in the link as well, where you guys can shop, and I ship it directly from me. I also throw in little gifts here and there. So if you do want to purchase a wig or beauty product for myself, definitely also click the link in the description. But you guys, I'm obsessed. I was so happy. I've been rocking like short hair for the past couple weeks, so the fact that my mom got me this, I was like really excited, and I could not wait to wear my new hair out. So if you guys seen in my birthday vlog, I did get a new wig for my birthday, but this is from my mom. And if you guys know me, you know I'm a big hair lover, so I definitely had to do a review of this. This is the box that says you can be as beautiful as you want to be, premium quality. I thought this was such a cute box, and I love the purple. Purple is my favorite color. Here's a little bit of information about how to take care of the wig. And this is the medium long black wavy wig. It's in 16 inches, and it's in the color 1, which is, if you don't know, the color 1 is black. Let's go ahead and open the box. So you guys see, they come with the paper and the hairnet. I already took it outside the bag, and it does come with the wig cap with 2 pieces. Now, I never wear the wig caps that come with the wigs just because I feel like they give me a headache. But for those of you who do, it does come with this. So here is the box and everything. You guys, look at this quality. The quality is so nice. It's like, oh, look at those curls. Wavy curls. Absolutely love this. 16 inch, I feel like it's such a perfect natural length. It's probably my favorite, but you guys know I like my super long wigs, but this was perfect for me. My birthday hair, my Thanksgiving hair, Isaiah's birthday hair. So cute. So I'm loving it. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you guys haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.